Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at GBP USD for this week. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So if you literally watched my analysis last week, I literally told you guys that we would be selling, right? That GBP USD will definitely sell to this level. And guess what? We've gotten that sale. I mean, take a look at this drop. This is about 200 plus pips, about close to 300 pips we had on GBP USD. GBP USD actually gave us that wonderful drop we're expecting. Before I go ahead, if you are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, you will see the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. We are currently offering a 40% discount because many of you have actually reached out that you'd love to join, but due to the fact that you don't have much that I should give you discount, now I've actually reconsidered and I am now doing that. So these discounts will only last for 2 days. So if you're interested, you can now join. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you can now sign up. You'll get a 40% discount. Instead of 20, you can now get it at 12. Remember, it will only last for 2 days. If you're interested, you'll get high probability trade. Trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is exactly what we'll be sharing on that Patreon channel. So if you're interested, you can now sign up. Back to this, our analysis on GBP USD. We've gotten this drop right now. With what I am seeing, I still believe GBP USD should actually drop. I mean, basically, GBP USD should give us this bullish move, right? We should be expecting that movement upward. But I believe that GBP USD will drop a bit before we actually go ahead and continue the movement to the upside. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is that when we take a look at our DXY, this is what I am expecting. I'm still expecting a further movement to the upside on DXY. So if I see a further movement to the upside on DXY, then of course GBP to USD will have to drop, no doubt, since DXY or the USD index is our factor. But you will only do that when you get a setup. I mean, take a look at this DXY. We are currently at a major level here, right here. You can see it. These are major key levels here. So there's every possibility that the XY or USD index will start falling. If it starts falling from here, then unfortunately, or will I say fortunately, GBP USD will start going bullish from here. So that's why you need to be very, very careful. Pay attention to DXY. If it breaks above and it is giving us more buy, then all you just have to do is continue to sell on GBP USD. On today is the reversal movement downward on DXY. Then you can now start looking for a buy opportunity on GBP USD. We are going to cover more on this on the Patreon channel. If you're interested, you can now sign up. You'll get 40% discount. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section.